Today, we're in what might be the best kept secret for RVers in all of the southern Appalachian mountains. And we're here at the entrance of Falls, which is a waterfall here in the beautiful rolling mountains and the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains here in Jackson County, Kentucky, which is in eastern Kentucky. The first thing you'll see here is they have a little building for restrooms, which is closed right now. It's closed for the season. You can reserve spots to camp here all night. We'll show you some areas where you can have tent camping. And then there are also some spots for RVers, which is really nice. They have a pretty large shelter for picnics, and maybe you want to have a get-together. Or if it's raining like today, just a place to escape the rain for a second. You see they have a place for charcoal grilling, which is really convenient. They have a really beautiful walking path here where you can get your steps in. That's what we're actually out here to do today, is just get our 10,000 steps in. Now we're going to show you the entrance to the falls, which is actually the main attraction to this beautiful place. Gives you the best view of the falls. Come take a look. Now, there are some hiking trails that you can also go. There's a way to the lower of the falls if you follow that trail down. And I have noticed they have several of these benches out. I mean, this place is really nice. It's really beautiful and super relaxing. Now, as you can see, they've got a lot of spaces set up for camping that you can call and reserve. And they've got a really nice place here set up. They took a lot of effort into making this, and your backdrop is beautiful. And then they have another grill set up for you and a fire pit area. I mean, you can sleep. You can imagine you could sleep pretty well at night hearing that. We've got a large gravel parking lot, and then if it gets real busy, which we're the only ones here today, there's additional parking as well. And here's their basketball court. It looks like it's just been put in. It looks new. In the background, you can see the RV spots that I was talking about, which you can reserve. They have 7 spots set up. This would be a great spot to bring your family. That way they can take in the beautiful foothills here in the southern Appalachian Mountains of eastern Kentucky. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm hoping that we can tell everybody about this super secret place here in Jackson County, Kentucky, because we do not want to keep it a secret. We want everyone to come and be able to have fun and enjoy this beautiful place and look at this wonderful waterfall. So thanks again, and check out some of my other videos. I live in the Appalachian Mountains here in eastern Kentucky, and I do videos about our life and our culture, our language, and unique places. If you like that sort of thing, make sure to like our video, subscribe. Be sure to come back and watch our future videos. Thanks all.